This is how you unlock your Pixel phone using your Pixel Watch. So I just got this watch and it's kind of counterintuitive, so I wanted to make a video on showing how to do it. You go into your watch app and then you scroll to watch preferences right here and you click on security and then watch unlock, and I'm gonna pull that off screen. And then you'll see this here. It says if you keep your watch within distance of the phone, it'll unlock it. Explains how it works, what to keep in mind. You confirm, and then you're done. This is kind of confusing to me because most Pixel devices to do device unlock, it's in the settings. So hopefully this video helps, and I hope you're enjoying your new Pixel Watch and your Pixel phone. I'm really enjoying it. This is not sponsored by Google, but if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.